Hey guys, in order to immerse into a traditional, down-to-the-roots celebration of Ivana Kupala, we're heading to one of the Belarusian villages, Buda. We generally start our celebration with preparing a treat for our guests. This time we asked a fisherman to cook uha, the type of a fish soup, while we were installing all the decorations. At 8 p.m, the guests arrived and we invited them for the taste of uha. They enjoyed it immensely, complimenting the cook.
Такая вкусная уха. Еще бы сказали, что не вкусная, это вкусная. Очень вкусная. Много радости всем будет.
My gorgeous godmother shared the symbolism of this mysterious celebration. Ivana Kupala is one of the oldest traditional celebrations in Belarus, where we praise the sun, bountiful crop, and the beauty of nature in summer. One of the first rituals that you should have is purification through herbs and water. The water during Kopala night has almost magical properties. Taking nettle and wormwood and washing with water infused with wheat grains, that's what it takes to take all the bad things away. Decorating the Kopala tree is another ritual where you can wish for anything you want and be sure that this dream comes true. You take a ribbon and put your wishes in it, then tie it up to the tree. Everyone who makes a wish then gets into a circle for a round dance, celebrating and singing together. In order for the guests to feel welcomed, we also serve karavai, a type of a round loaf. This is usually a gesture that is performed with people who are dear to you, as you wish them health and prosperity while serving it. During Kopala night, a piece of the loaf is also a symbol of your wish. And of course, traditional songs that literally everyone knows and can sing along.
Прошли года, но мы не старые.
Then, for the fun part, we organize different contests. This one, for instance, is called the Granny Scream, where you should not hold the bouquet when the music stops. The end of the game was pretty funny as the women were fighting fiercely for the win. The contests with teams were the most cheerful and interesting to watch as people of different age were taking part in them. Another major ritual during this night is to find a fern flower, which is extremely rare and almost impossible to find, and can be found only by a lucky person. For our celebration, we hid the fern, and the one who could find it had to light the Kopala bonfire. The most beautiful part of a celebration is weaving a wreath. All of the girls and women took an immense pleasure in doing this and deciding which one is the most beautiful. There are several rituals performed with it. You can burn it in the fire or let it float in water. We did the latter at sunset, moving to the nearest lake. And the moment that everyone was waiting for, the Kopala bonfire. As a rule, everyone takes different things from home to burn, and they take it to the bonfire. With the bonfires, all of the villagers compete for the biggest and the smokiest.
Чтобы не погасла, гори, гори, ясно, чтобы не погасла.
Jumping over the bonfire is another ritual of purification. And wish you all happy Ivana Kupala.